Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Armstrong County, southwestern Carson County, southeastern Potter County, and northern Reynolds County until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists have detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 11 miles west of Lake Tanglewood, or about 8 miles north of Canyon, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lake Tanglewood, Washburn, Amarillo. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806-335-1121. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Texas, Armstrong, Carson, Potter, and Randall.